Hello Marex world, welcome on board the Marex 440 Gourmet Cruiser. And why do we call it Gourmet Cruiser? Because it is for foodies. Welcome on board, let me show you why. Today I'm going to cook you a beautiful Norwegian salmon with curry sauce. Norwegian salmon is very tasteful and a very rich fish. And as a side note, if you like to have Gordon Ramsay yelling at you while you're cooking, you can just turn on Mr. Ramsay here. It's very important that you season the fish just before you're going to cook it. If you season it 1 hour before, it's going to start the cooking process and the flesh of the fish will not taste very nice. We're going to put the fish inside the pan with water in a technique called unilateral. And we're going to warm up the fish very slowly from the bottom. This is the technique that will take a little bit time, so you have to be patient. I will also put in a little bit warm butter inside. As you can see, the water doesn't cover all the fish. And I'm going to use the brush on the fish every 1 minute or so. But this is a process that will take some time. By using this technique, the salmon will not get a hard crust on the side and the fish will keep a beautiful color. While the salmon is slowly cooking, I'm going to make a curry coconut sauce. This sauce goes very well with the rich salmon because it has a very nice spiciness and a vibrant color. The sauce is going to be very elegant, but it's quite easy to make actually. And I will add a little olive oil in a pan over here. And I will put inside all the chopped vegetables. Now we're just going to sweat the vegetables on the low heat. That means we're going to make the vegetable soft. And now we're going to add a little bit white wine to get a little bit acidic flavor in the sauce. Then I will add cocoa milk. And in the end I'm going to put a little bit curry mandarin flavor. This is a mixed spice of several curry spices, which will give a fantastic color. I will also add a little bit saffron to the sauce, which will make a very rich and fantastic good looking yellow color. Now we're just going to simmer for a couple of more minutes and then we're going to put it in a blender to make the sauce very smooth. And now I'm just going to push out all the nice flavors in the sauce. It's quite smooth now. Just a few drops of lemon. And that's the sauce. Now we're going to find out if the fish is ready. I'm going to use this little metal stick here and stick it through the fish and put it on my hand. If it's cold, the fish is not finished. If it's warm, the fish is finished. But if you burn yourself, then the fish is overcooked. So don't burn yourself. If the fish is overcooked, it will get dry and not taste very good. Then we are down to the plating. First I will just whisk the sauce a little bit. This will incorporate a little bit air into the sauce, so it gets a little bit lighter, much better. I like to put the sauce around the green vegetable. It's going to look fantastic together with the red fish. And we put a little bit carrots, a little bit asparagus. Feel free to be creative here. A little bit chives and put it on top of the salmon. Not much, just for decoration and a little bit flavor. There you have it, a beautiful Norwegian salmon with curry sauce, coconut sauce. I hope you enjoyed my little cooking here. Salmon is one of my favorite dishes. Beautiful.